In this video, we will cover a new control, picture box. Just add a new form here. Open. See, in previous example, we have seen how to add pictures inside image. Now we will use a picture box. Picture box is also used to add different types of pictures. See here. The properties of picture box. First, picture property. Fine, we have just inserted a picture. The difference between image and picture box is text can be written inside picture box using the label control, but under image text cannot be written. See here, we will take one label. Just draw the label inside a picture box. Change the caption. See here, if you now move the picture, the text is also moving, means we can hold the controls inside picture box. But if you see inside image, we will take one of the picture. Now just add a label inside this. See, if you move the image, label is on that place only, means a label control can't hold the next controls collection. So text cannot be written inside image. The next difference is the size of image can be increased after making a stretch property true, but we can't increase the size of a picture box as there is no stretch property inside picture box. See here, after picture you will not find a stretch property as there was in image control. The rest of the properties of picture box is same as image, the left, top, width, height and picture property. In this video, with the help of left property, we will just see how to move the picture box from one place to another place as per the specified time. So for that purpose, we will have to take a timer to execute the code as per specified time. Just we will set a interval property. One second time we are setting here. To write a code, just double click on timer. By default name of that picture box control is picture1. With the help of left property, we can move that picture1.left plus 100. See here, just we have written picture1.left equals to picture1.left plus 100. By default position of picture 1 is, if you notice here, see here 720 is there. So inside code it will start with 720 equals to 720 plus 100, means after 1 second the value will be 820, and in this way it will add the pixel position with the help of timer as per the specified time. We will just run this program, but before running it we have to change a startup object, move to project1 properties and set form4, press OK. Now if you run the program, see, start. Wow, a picture is moving. But if you notice here, the picture is not stopped at the end of screen position, as it is working in an infinite loop. So to stop a picture, we do not have any stop control in a toolbox or any property by name stop. When you do not get a help from any property or control, then we have to use the variable support. So how to declare a variable inside VB? Suppose if you want to use your variable publicly, means it should work on each and every procedure. So always declare a variable on a first line, that is general declaration section. Suppose dim a as the data type is integer. A is a variable name, data type of variable is integer. So with the help of this a variable, we can stop this control. To initialize a value, we will just double click on form load. See, a equals to 1. By default value, we are inserting in a variable 1. We will just check that value and specify some of the code lines. See, if a equals to 1, then only picture should increment by adding 100. But if a, suppose if picture 1 dot left greater than or equals to 8000, when it reaches to 8000 position after adding 100 by each second, then we have to change the value of a to 2. See, nested if example also covers here. And if, fine. So as we have purposely specified, if a equals to 1, then only plus 100 should be work. But when a picture reaches on a particular 8000 position, then a equals to 2. For 2, we have not written any condition, so it will stop on that position. See, move to view object. To test a program, just click on start. It's moving as a equals to 1 value is there, but when it reaches to 8000, the value change to 2, so it will stop. So here we have seen how to declare a variable, how to initialize a value and check that value with a control statement. Suppose you want to move a picture in a reverse direction, then we will continue this code. Else if a equals to 2, then picture 1 dot left equals to picture 1 dot left minus 100. Same, we will copy this. See here, if less than or equals to 500, as we are using here the minus sign, then a equals to 3. Fine. So when a value is 8000, the variable value is changing to 2. If it is 2, we are giving inside the code minus 100. But up to which position? Till 500. If it reaches to 500, then a value should be 3. So it will stop on 500 position. But if you want to move continuously, instead of 3, we can change the value to 1 also. So it will move continuously as a equals to 1, then plus 100. So we will just keep 3 here. See now. See, minus 100. Fine. So with the help of left property, we have seen how to scroll the picture in both the direction using the plus and minus sign. Same way you can move the picture top plus 100 and top minus 100. Just change the code. Wherever you have typed left, change it to top property. So it will move in a top direction position up and down.